Below the line. Takeoff runway.
09 right, confirm.
09 right, confirm. Cabin crew.
Advised.
TCAS.
Tower.
Engine start cell.
Norm.
Backs.
On. Off.
Before takeoff, checklist complete.
Clear left.
Clear right. Line up and wait.
Approaching 09 right.
That's correct.
Yep.
Beeline 2 Tango Zulu, hold short of runway 09 right, holding point kilo 6.
Hold short of 09 right on kilo 6, Beeline 2 Tango Zulu.
Air France 498, autorisé décollage, piste 09 droite, devant 110 degrés.
Wait for takeoff 9 right, Air France 498.
Holding takeoff.
Ok.
Takeoff.
American 45, bonjour, BN 777, ahead of you, line up from Delta 3, runway 09 right and wait behind.
American
On
45,
runway
waiting behind
09
the United
right.
Airlines.
Confirm. And check 50 SRS runway, all controls blue.
Check.
355, au revoir.
First set.
355, 4.2, au revoir.
Bonne.
Merci, bonne.
$100 knots.
Check.
V1.
Rotate. Positive climb.
Yep.
Beeline 2
Yeah.
Tango Zulu, cross
Nav.
09
Check.
right on the other side, contact 1161, goodbye.
Cross 09 right, 1161, Beeline 2 Tango Zulu.